why smashing these are fun. Don't judge me. In this video, I made one of my favorite side dishes, crispy smashed potatoes with some delicious lemon basil chicken and broccoli. It turned out amazing. I'm curious, what's your favorite side dish to pair with meals like this? Drop your favorites in the comments below. I would love to hear your suggestions. Let's get cooking. Hey you guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make one of my favorite side dish. So here I'm starting off boiling my red potatoes, the small ones. I'm boiling them in about 2 quarts of water. I'm boiling them until they get tender, and then I'm going to transfer them into the oven, and I'll show you the next step. I'm going to let them boil for about 20 minutes. Like I said, I'm going to check to see if they're tender. So we're going to use a fork to see if we can push the fork through, and then I know they're going to be ready to transfer to the oven. Okay, so you guys, we got our foil. I'm going to be using some tongs to take out the chicken. Like I said, I've already marinated it with lemon, basil, my seasoning, salt and pepper, olive oil, low sodium chicken broth, and we're going to get ready to place it on the foil. So you guys, my oven is preheated at 425, and we're going to get ready to place all the chicken legs on here. So this serving that you see, I'm cooking for me and my boyfriend. Hopefully we have some leftovers, and this is how much we're going to eat. So I got all the juices going to go with our smashed potatoes, okay you guys? So look at that. Like I said, the basil is from my garden, and hopefully I know this is going to taste delicious. So I'm just placing them on the pan, not close together but far away, not super far away, but giving them space to cook. And then we're going to put the lemons around there as well. And my bag has lots of juices, and you can see the tongues are helping me out, and they're silicone. They're helping me out to get the chicken and the lemon stuff out very easily. So I really love cooking with these long tongs. So you guys, comment down below and tell me what is one of your favorite seasonings as you are baking or cooking chicken. I would love to know. So tell me, comment down below and let me know. So we're gonna just keep on getting this chicken and the lemons out. So we're gonna set our tongs to the side, and we're gonna get ready just to pour the juices over the chicken. So we have lemon in here, we have so much seasoning, so we're just gonna drizzle the chicken all over. And while the chicken is cooking, make sure it is cooked to the temperature. So basically, you want to look this up, but basically it's 165 degrees Fahrenheit for baked chicken. We always want to make sure your meat is well cooked, especially chicken. And we're going to put it in the oven, like I said, at 425. We're going to wait about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're going to flip the chicken over. So now we have our potatoes boiling in the water. A good indicator that I like to see is that when the potato opens, it is most likely going to be tender. Can I stick my fork through it? Yeah, so this is about how we want it. Yes, they are tender, and we're going to get ready to transfer these over to the baking sheet. And the fun is about to begin, guys. Okay, so you guys, I let the potatoes cool down a little bit, but we're going to get ready to transfer them. So I'm going to be using this strainer here, this hand strainer here. I asked Siri what is it called, and she said it's called a spider strainer. So if you guys know what this type of tool is called, please comment down below and let me know. So we're going to let them cool off, you guys. You can see that they're still hot. So we're going to get ready to transfer them over to our cooking pan, which is just right here, you guys. And we also still gonna let them cool off. I would suggest letting them cool off about 5-10 minutes to touch, you guys, because we're gonna get ready to smash these. And I'm gonna show you what I like to use to smash these potatoes. And there we go. Let's get a few more out. I love this strainer. And we got one more friend left. Come on. Come on. There you go. So if you guys can see, we have the potatoes out. We got some big ones, the small ones, but I was really looking for smaller size potatoes. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, but these are red skin potatoes that I am using for this dish. So like I said, we're gonna let them cool off about 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know if you can see, but the steam is still coming off. And so we're gonna let it cool off. Now that I let them cool off, I'm touching them. And they are nice to the touch, so just make sure you let them cool off and be cautious. Now we're gonna get to the fun part. Why smashing these are fun? Don't judge me. But what I like to use to smash these is one of my measuring cups. Make sure the bottom's cleaned off. And you're just gonna smash it down, not all the way where it's broken, but simply mash them like this. So that is a good example. This one might be a little hard because it's very big. Oh, well, there we go. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it. Oh, that was taking some time. Oh, there we go. There we go. And smash it. So that is it, you guys. I just love smashing them. Don't judge me. But this is the starter for me and my boyfriend. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like to monitor my eating, like calorie deficit. So I might get 2, or I might accidentally sneak another one because these are delicious. And we'll see how my boyfriend does. So I'm gonna surprise my boyfriend with something, a seasoning that he really likes. So we're gonna get to that. But first, we're gonna drizzle them with olive oil. Some of them I think like that one is perfect. That is just perfect. Perfect. Pretty good. Pretty good. I feel like I want to smash that a little more. So we're going to get our hands a little oily, you guys. Just a little bit. So just like rub it in there. Once again, like I said, make sure it's cool to touch. You can still see the steam coming off of these. So let them cool off. You know, you don't want to burn your hand. I'm not going to mention which cooking YouTuber burnt her hand many times, but we're not going to talk about her right now. She's the one talking, by the way. So let those cool off, and then we're going to get to the seasoning of our smashed potatoes. You guys, how I like to season my smashed potatoes is very basic. I just like to use something very simple, like some onion powder, I'm in the mood for some basil, since our chicken is going to be basil and lemon. And some more this type of onion powder, the very minced onion powder. And I also like to use some salt as well. Okay, you guys, so the chicken has been cooking about 15 minutes, and we're going to get ready to flip it over. You guys deal with me, you guys. Come on, I'm working with one hand here while filming, but we're going to flip the chicken over. And you can see in some it's still red. So yeah, make sure your chicken is done. They say the typical measurement is 165 degrees for cooked chicken, but always check your chicken and other meats that you're cooking to make sure that they're fully cooked. So that's why we're gonna give this chicken another 15 to 20 minutes, depending, and if it's done or not. And we're also gonna scoop this chicken over, say beep beep, make some room, chicken and lemons, because we're gonna be adding some vegetables in here too, you guys. Don't think I didn't forget about the vegetables. So scoop them over just a little bit, and we're gonna add some vegetables, and the vegetables are gonna get this yummy juices, and we're gonna just season it just a little more, because you guys know I like my seasoning. And I'm gonna put it back in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 20 plus minutes. Okay, you guys, so there we go. We've got the chicken flipped over along with our vegetables, some broccoli, and we're gonna put it back in the oven and like I said, let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. I'm kind of estimating on that, so probably gonna be like a little extra 20 minutes. Okay, so yeah, the broccoli is gonna be nice and crispy, and we're gonna have our lemon chicken, and all the juices and herbs and spices are gonna get along with the broccoli there. Okay, you guys, so I took out my red potatoes out of the oven. They're nice and crispy, And now we're gonna get ready for some more adventure. We're gonna get ready to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. And I was checking on my chicken as well with the broccoli. They are cooking well as well. So we're just gonna sprinkle some cheese all on top on each smashed potato. And the last one. There we go. And we're gonna put this back in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes until we see the cheese is melting and boiling. He gets a little extra cheese. There you go. So we're gonna put this back in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so here we go. The finished smashed potatoes, I like to call them. They are done and ready to eat. Look at that, they are ready to eat. So I'm gonna set them to the side and let my chicken finish, and that is pretty much it, you guys. This is gonna be so yummy. So that is it, you guys. My smashed potatoes with some vegetables. We got our chicken for protein. I hope you guys like this video, found this recipe interesting. So if you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. Bye.